Right, we're here in Milan, Arco della Pace behind me. Been a beautiful morning, had Duomo, Vittoria Emmanuel, just so many of these places to myself, Sforzesco Castle. Um, Pays to get up early, that's for sure. So it's been well worth it to get out and get some shots that a lot of people probably don't get because they go out when it's really busy. But yeah, been super awesome. Milan's a stunning city. The parks are beautiful. It's been such a great place to actually just sit and relax, even though it's a major capital. But with that, let's check out Milan.